Imagine typing a few simple words and instantly generating stunning photorealistic art, hyper-detailed characters, and wild fantasy environments. By the end of this video, you're going to go from staring at a blank screen to downloading your own professional, cinematic AI image. You don't need any drawing skills or a background in design to do this. If you have a keyboard and an internet browser, you have everything you need. First, head over to Midjourney.com. You can sign in using Google or a basic Discord account. No complicated setup required. This shift moves the focus away from manual rendering skills. Instead, the final result depends on how precisely you can communicate an idea through text. Take a look at this web interface homepage. Once you log in, this is the primary workspace you will see. We can let the rest of the dashboard fade away because we are going to focus entirely on the Imagine bar at the very top of the screen. This is the sole input mechanism you need to worry about. Let's make your very first image. Click the bar and type exactly this: a majestic golden retriever sitting on a tropical beach at sunset with cinematic lighting. Hit enter. The system needs a few moments to process that request, so stay on this page while the AI works. Midjourney will return a unified block containing 4 different variations of the prompt you just entered. This initial output is not your finished product. It is raw clay, and now we are going to learn how to sculpt it. Results are sequenced 1 through 4, left to right, top to bottom. Underneath, U1 through U4 buttons isolate and process a single image at higher resolution. Beside them, the V or variation buttons tell the AI to generate 4 new alternatives based heavily on that specific quadrant. Look at the 4 dogs we just generated. Pick your favorite variation and click its corresponding upscale button. This grid and its buttons act as an interactive steering wheel, allowing you to guide the AI's output toward the exact result you want. Look at this comparison. On the left is a messy generation created with simple conversational language. On the right is a hyper-detailed samurai. To get the result on the right, you need structure. This pro-prompt formula organizes requests into 6 parts: subject, details, environment, style, lighting, and parameters. We lock in the narrative, a highly detailed cyberpunk female samurai on a rainy Tokyo street, then apply style and lighting, glowing neon reflections and dramatic cinematic lighting. The AI has no internal concept of what looks professional. Instead, it relies on this specific vocabulary to access the higher resolution details and textures it's capable of producing. The final piece of the formula involves parameters. These are strict technical instructions placed at the absolute end of your prompt to control formatting rather than the content of the image. Look closely at the syntax. Type a double dash, the command, and a space before the value. For example, --AR16:9 expands your canvas into a widescreen cinematic framing. Finally, --V7 forces the system to use the most advanced modeling engine. Hit enter, wait for your new grid to process, and upscale your favorite variation of the cyberpunk samurai. These syntax controls provide the final layer of technical authority over a generation. They allow you to move past random results and produce images that meet specific formatting requirements. Take a look at the action buttons beneath your newly upscaled image. Click the heart icon to ensure this artwork is permanently saved to your internal platform library. Then, click the download icon to save the high-resolution file directly to your local computer or mobile device. Look at the intricate details on the armor, the neon reflections on the wet pavement, and the precise cinematic lighting. This level of quality is the direct result of using our structured formula. For your next sessions, try adding the draft mode parameter to rapidly test ideas. It's a highly efficient way to build out your own personal prompt library. You now have the exact workflow to create professional AI art. Drop a comment below with what you are going to create first, and comment the letters MJ if you want me to send you my free prompt pack.